Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to create this smart controller UI design. Select the background and choose the color that you liked. Then add the text, then choose the heading that you want. Then align to the artboard. Then duplicate the text and change it to medium and change the text and reduce the font. Then add a rectangle and make it full radius. Then choose fill color and reduce the opacity as well as the border. Then select both of them and group together. Then turn on the padding. Then duplicate the same capsule and add the text that you want. Again group together. Then turn on the stack. If you copy paste any capsule from the stock, you could see it's automatically readjusting the position. This is the one good features in an XD. Then turn on the scroll group. Then align to the artboard. Then select the first one and add little color so it seems like a selected. Then duplicate the same capsule and put it down here and change it to auto. Then duplicate the background capsule and create one slider. Simply use pen tool to create the line and adjust it. Then add one circle and add your style. Then add one big circle and align center of the artboard. Then add size to 30 and adjust the color that you want. Dash value to 1, gap value to 10. The moment you add it, you could see some great dotted line circle. See, always you can play around with own values. I'm keeping it for 10 now. Then add on rectangle on top of it and mask with the shape. Then double click the masked shape. You could always adjust the edges. I'm putting like this. Then add one shapes and copy the same style. Then you can paste into this. Then add one shapes. Then add your temperature text. Then view it all once everything's all into the artboard or what. Basically, we're gonna create two animation. One is for that number count, then another is a progress like the slider. In order to do that, we need to create these numbers in a separate layers. Then group all together and use repeated grid to make the number sequence the same way for both numbers. Then simply add one rectangle in the top and mask with it. Then duplicate the artboard and here we can change the number. Also we can move the slider. Then this top red dot. Then simply add the prototype, the only property drag. Everything works fine apart from this, the red dot. Because the center point is not exactly what we wanted. In order to make this corrected, just select that circle and check for the height and width. Then add one line and create a height same as the circle height. Then adjust like this. And group it. Rotate. Now you could see it's happening properly. Then we can change it the angle, or we can rotate like this, and we can reduce the opacity of the line. Then copy paste to the other board and change the angle. That's it guys, you have created it.